genome engineering, along with a lot of other therapies, is expensive and getting more expensive in contrast to diagnostics and DNA sequencing, which we've helped drop by 20 million fold. That hasn't happened yet with therapies, but never say never, it could, and some of the ways that we're trying to do that is by aiming it at cases where either we can bring down the R&D costs, the clinical trial costs, for example, in veterinary applications, so we can get used to doing things at scale inexpensively, or by having bigger markets, so the fixed R&D and clinical trial costs can be amortized over a much larger set of people that benefit. For example, in aging reversal, since 90% of us are going to die from diseases of aging. So that's one thing, that's one future, is bringing down the cost and improving the quality of the human health. But it has other applications for example, in agriculture, in plants and animals, even something hybrid in between agriculture and medicine is producing animals that can be organ donors, producing even enhanced organs that are better than human organs, better in terms of immune tolerance, pathogen resistance, cancer resistance, maybe even radiation and cryopreservation resistance, so that we can have, we may come to the ironic point where our engineered organs are better than our original ones, and there might be a temptation to upgrade. So there's going to be a lot of a growing amount of examples of enhancement. And enhancement is not something new. I mean, certainly we're all superhuman relative to our ancestors in that we have almost no fear of dozens of infectious diseases. Not yet all infectious diseases, but many of them that used to plague our ancestors do not plague us. This is truly superhuman, at least from their perspective. But there's, going forward, most of the superpowers will be from physics and chemistry, not necessarily biology. Like, if we want to be, strong and move quickly, then we're going to, hop in a jet, not run faster. But probably the things that will be biological enhancements will be aging more gracefully, or aging reversal, better yet, so that we're youthful, healthy, rather than spending a huge amount of our time and money at an age where we should be the most productive in our lifetime, changing that so that we actually can achieve some of that health and productivity. So I think those are some of the things that I see coming